Is your Nissan X-Trail's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches, the interior motion sensor, or the key fob. Start by inspecting the door and hood switches for dirt, corrosion, or misalignment. These low-voltage contacts can trigger false alarms if compromised. Next, consider the interior sensor's sensitivity. Environmental factors can cause issues. Finally, a weak key fob battery can lead to misfires during lock-unlock cycles, setting off the alarm. Addressing these areas can resolve most recurring alarm problems. Consider having a trusted mechanic diagnose with an OBD2 scan tool for faster results. Many X-Trail alarm issues can be resolved with a simple reset. Try disconnecting the car battery for a few minutes to clear any error codes. If the problem persists, replace the key fob battery. Software updates to Nissan Connect after the mid-year 2024 update included an alarm sensitivity calibration tool that lets you adjust sensor thresholds. For faulty switches or sensors, replacement is often necessary. Nissan issued TSB NTB 25-01 addressing false alarms in T33 models caused by moisture in door sensors, possibly leading to free warranty repairs for affected vehicles. If these steps don't work, a BCM reprogramming might be required, which is best left to a professional.